Hey everyone, imagine you're driving, and suddenly your car struggles to shift gears, or worse, it gets stuck in one gear. You plug in your OBD-II scanner and there it is, code P0962. This means there's a low voltage issue with the pressure control solenoid A, which is crucial for smooth shifting. Ignoring this can lead to harsh shifting, transmission slipping, or even limp mode. But don't worry, today we'll break down what P0962 means, where the sensors are located, and how to fix it. Let's get started. What is DTC P0962? DTC P0962 stands for Pressure Control Solenoid A Control Circuit Low Voltage. Your car's transmission control module, TCM, regulates hydraulic pressure using solenoids. If solenoid A doesn't receive enough voltage, it fails to regulate pressure, leading to transmission malfunctions. Common symptoms of P0962. If your car has this code, you might notice harsh or delayed shifting, transmission slipping, high RPMs but no acceleration, check engine light, CL, or transmission warning light, limp mode, stuck in one gear, poor fuel efficiency sensor and component locations, very important. Pressure control, solenoid A. Location inside the transmission valve body, near other solenoids. Function, controls hydraulic pressure for smooth shifting. Transmission control module, TCM. Location, usually found near the battery, inside the transmission, or under the dashboard. Function, sends voltage to the solenoid to control transmission pressure. Transmission fluid pressure sensor. Location, mounted on the transmission case near the fluid lines. Function, measures fluid pressure and sends data to the TCM. Wiring and connectors for the solenoid circuit. Location, runs from the TCM to the solenoid inside the transmission. Function, transfers electrical signals to regulate hydraulic pressure. What causes P0962? Common causes include 1. Faulty pressure control solenoid A. Internal failure prevents proper voltage flow. 2. Wiring issues, corrosion, short circuits, or loose connections, leads to voltage drops. 3. Failing transmission control module, TCM, sends incorrect voltage signals. 4. Weak or faulty alternator, unstable voltage output affects the circuit. 5. Low or contaminated transmission fluid, causes erratic solenoid operation. How to fix P0962? Follow these steps. Step 1. Check transmission fluid condition. Low or dirty fluid can cause shifting problems. If dirty, flush and replace with fresh ATF. Step 2. Inspect the wiring and connectors. Look for damaged, loose or corroded wires. Fix any broken connections. Step 3. Test the pressure control solenoid A. Remove the transmission pan to access the solenoids. Use a multimeter to check resistance, should be between 3–10 ohms. If faulty, replace the solenoid. Step 4. Check the battery and alternator. A failing alternator can cause voltage drops. Test the alternator output, should be 13.5 V-14.5 V. Step 5. Scan and reset the TCM. Use a diagnostic scanner to reset the transmission control module. Drive the car and check if the shifting improves. Step 6. Clear the code and test drive. After repairs, erase the code using an OBD-II scanner. Drive for at least 10–15 miles to check for normal operation. Final words. If your car has P0962, it means the pressure control solenoid A isn't receiving enough voltage, leading to erratic shifting and possible transmission failure. Fixing this issue early can save you from expensive transmission repairs. For more troubleshooting, check out these videos. P0791, Intermediate Shaft Speed Sensor. Issue P0792, Transmission Input Speed Sensor Circuit. This is IG Garage, your trusted source for car repairs. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.